Okay, I am laughing because I just did a whole unboxing video and never pressed record on the video. So I am not going to take them out all one at a time, but I am going to tell you what comes in this case if you get this kit. It's super cool. So, you know, you got simple things like a wipe, you got your standard RØDE 3.5 millimeter cord, you got a couple USB-C to USB-C connectors, a USB-C to whatever those Apple people use connector, a really nice heavy USB-C to USB-C, which I'm sure is for the charging case. Oop, I gave that away. There are a whole bunch of tribbles with tribbles in here, as well as really nice, these are the upgraded Lavalier wires along with the Lavaliers themselves, as well as, here's another new product here, the magnetic clips for these. Boy, these are magnets together. Wow. There's no doubt that's going to hold it on. I'm not sure how I'm going to get these two magnets apart. Wow, that's a little freaky, but super cool, nice and strong. And then, let me just show you the equipment itself. Comes in two cases. All these ancillary products were in this one case, and then in this other really nice charging case is 3 items. 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, all in here, getting charged, ready to use. I want to go play with this stuff, so I'm out. I will see you next time, and I promise I will press record before I pull everything out in the future.